Hey everybody, I'm Glenn.
I'm Xander.
Together we are Fun King 3D, and today we are unboxing the MakerBox.
Hey, you guys forgot me.
We forgot Zach. The MakerBox. Alright, so it's that time again for the monthly MakerBox, and this is February's box, even though it didn't arrive until March. But I guess being that February is a short month, so let's go ahead and crack this thing open and see what kind of cool stuff we got this month. There's already been people laying spoilers out on the internet, and I've been trying really hard not to read.
Skip.
Yeah. So it's supposed to be some good stuff. In fact, they said that one of the samples in this box is worth more than the $20 that the box cost.
The Hi-Fi Blue. That.
Well, I don't know. I'm just saying whatever they put in here. So the first thing that we have an XStrand 3D sticker.
Ooh, sticker. Wait.
We got some more Starbursts. Here, you want those? All right, those are all yours.
Okay.
We got our discount coupon codes, as always. You want to go ahead and read this one?
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Architectural clay, hot end temperature 220 to 240, and the bed temperature 85 to 115 Celsius, speed 60 to 70 millimeters per second. The filament mixed with clay powder for prints with an excellent surface finish.
All right, that's gonna be a pretty cool print, a pretty cool material. Architectural clay.
Architectural.
Yeah, that's very cool. All right, so this next one is an ABS PA. The hot end temperature of 255 to 265 degrees Celsius. So that's up there. 100 to 110 degrees Celsius on the bed. Ooh. Wow, that's hot. 30 to 40 millimeters a second. It is a blend of polyamide nylon and ABS for strong functional prints. Manufacturer advises baking for 24 hours at 40 degrees Celsius for best quality. I wonder if that's before you use it to dry it out, or if it's for after you've printed to adhere it. We're gonna have to look into that. So that's pretty cool. I'm trying to find you one that doesn't have these big horrendous. Whoa, that's got to be the one.
Oh my gosh.
That's got to be the one.
Yeah, because it's
Proto-Pasta and it has.
Oh, we didn't say the.
No, okay, that's all right. Here, go ahead and read through that one. So
it's composite copper with a hot end temperature of 185 to 215 and a bed temperature of room temperature. The speed is 30 to 70 millimeters per second. HTPLA mixed with copper powder, sand, and polish for the metallic luster. 1.75x denser than standard PLA for a more real feel.
All right, so it says that it's a high temperature PLA mixed with copper powder, and then there's a period there. And remember, kids, periods are like stop signs, because if you read it as mixed with copper powder, sand, and polish, it doesn't make as much sense as if it's mixed with copper powder and then you sand and polish it for a metallic luster. So you can actually sand and polish this filament out to make it look more metallic. So that's pretty cool, and that's Proto-Pasta. And so I don't know, the color is off on this camera a little bit. It kind of looks, it almost looks like we're filming in black and white. Let's see if we can.
We are filming in black and white.
Get a quick. Oh, there we go. That's a little better.
5 years later.
Now it's actually a little washed out. So this one is a GF30 PP. Is it funny because I said PP? That is a hot end temperature of 220 to 280 degrees Celsius. bed temperature of 80 to 110, 30 to 100 millimeter per second speed. It's a glass fiber filled polypropylene from Owens Corning, which, you know, they make roofing shingles. Very stiff and strong. For functional prototyping and tooling, requires hardened nozzle. It's a PET or packing tape on bed. That's going to be interesting. So, reinforced materials enabling new performance. That's the XStrand. That's where the sticker came from. That's the XStrand. So that's exciting.
Well, gotta wait another month.
Yeah. Well, we're gonna have to figure out what to do with that copper filled, something that we can shine up. Maybe we'll make like a limited edition Fun King Maker coin out of it, and then polish it.
Oh, this?
Yeah. They
give it out to like maybe send Joel one or something.
Oh, it's always about Joel.
Yes.
All right, guys, that's going to do it for this month. Unfortunately, the box is empty, but definitely 4 great filaments again this month. That's almost got like a weird color to it. It's a little, I don't know, I guess it's a little natural. I wonder if that'll die out.
Oh, darn it, I grabbed the wrong one.
You grabbed the architectural clay. The weight on that copper, comparatively, I mean, it's
oh yeah,
crazy
holy
heavy.
cow.
So.
I would think
But
there
very
would be
cool.
more stuff in.
Zach's going to enjoy those candies if he didn't already while we were here on camera.
Where are they? Where are they? Okay.
If you guys want to get your own MakerBox, there is a link in the description below, and I will be honest, that link helps us. It doesn't give us any kickbacks other than the fact that every third one that we get one of you guys to sign up for, we get one for free, and we love to get free stuff.
We get free stuff.
If you're new around here, or if you've been around for a while and you haven't subscribed, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. It'll let you know when we release new videos. We like to have thumbs up. Zach joins us every month for the MakerBox unboxings. He thinks he wants to do this by himself, I think. That's going to do it for this month. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you have any comments, go ahead and leave them below and we'll get back to you. As always, print on.